What a cool painting.
I'm gonna hang it up.
Okay.
Welcome to Learning League.
What are we doing today? Slinky paint.
I didn't know where the Slinky was.
Yeah. Can you get your paper and we'll start painting? Yep, can you put it in front of you?
The Sophia hero is right there.
Okay. Alright, dip the Slinky in the paint.
I want the yellow one first.
Alright, dip it in the paint. Mm-hmm.
And pressing it down.
Ooh, you made a circle. It's okay. What if you put it in the paint sideways and painted sideways?
Sideways.
Mm-hmm.
I want to dump this on the thing.
That's fine. Is it gonna make a print on the concrete?
I think so.
Haha, that's cool.
Well, it's rocky. So, can I
Yeah.
have a thing to wipe it?
Just put your paper over it, it's fine.
I can do this.
There you go. All right. Can you try dipping it sideways? I want to see what kind of print it does.
Okay. Bye-bye, pink.
We'll wash them off and then you can play with them.
In the pink
In the inside of it.
and I like the thing that is outside. Bye-bye.
Whoa. You spread it out. That's okay. We'll take a bath. Whoa, that's kind of cool. That's cool.
Spaghetti. Like spaghetti.
It's kind of like spaghetti.
But it has a line.
Yeah.
See? Can I have other paper?
Mm-hmm.
Pass.
Oh, careful.
Sorry.
Here. It's okay, Sophia. It's okay. We'll take a bath. All right. You should dip it like this. You should go choo, choo, and then dip it on the paper. Mm-hmm.
Like a paper shop.
So dip it in the paint like that, and then dip it on the paper like that. There you go. See, you're making marks.
Dip it in the
You do it on the paper though? There you go. Those are some cool marks.
It went on my head.
Yeah, it went on your head.
I'm making an art piece.
Mm-hmm.
So, and paint on the bug. Oh yeah. See, let's watch it roll in paint. Roll in paint.
You use the yellow one.
Why is there a roll of paint? I need a lot of paint. Mix it. Roll. Okay. Roll it back to me.
Uh-oh.
Roll the yellow one.
Do you want to stand up and try to slink it to the ground?
Oh, yeah.
Like that? Uh-oh.
Oh, no.
You might have to stand on it with one foot.
No, I got it. A Slinky. Slinky.
Put it in the paint and then do it.
Okay.
It's gonna splash everywhere.
What?
It's gonna splash everywhere.
Whoa. I can make the painting.